gorgeous. It finally is starting to feel like fall a little bit, and we want to show you guys a little bit of our home state, Alabama. We are in North Alabama, and we want to show you how gorgeous it is up here. So we are heading to go hiking up near Bucks Pocket State Park, and yeah, I think there's supposed to be a waterfall, so we're pretty excited. Rocky, are you excited? Oh, it's a smile. That's a smile. So yeah, we'll see you there. It is not far at all. It's literally just right off. There's some picnic tables. Wow, look at how gorgeous that is. I mean, it's just right here. Wow. Oh, this is gorgeous. It's literally right here. I mean, it's like a 2-second walk down. Rocky, come. Bridge. So, High Falls Walking Bridge. There's some history about it. You can swim. I guess you can tube. I see a tube. That's the falls, which we'll get down there in just a minute. This is absolutely beautiful. It's gorgeous. Take the puppers. We are hiking at High Falls, trying to find a way to the bottom. I'm not sure that there is, but we're trying to at least get a better view from the other side of it, which there has to be. So we're taking a small trail past this little playground. Not sure where it goes, but here we go. So if it was winter time, this view right here would be gorgeous. You can't really tell, that's the waterfall. But that's pretty much the end of it there. So it didn't go anywhere. Short-lived. I'm really not sure there is a way down. I really wish there was, because it would be gorgeous. So it looks like we're gonna circle back. Hopefully we can get some pictures from the side of the waterfall. It's better than nothing. Oh, Rocky's got me tangled. Oh, so I went down, trying to be really careful with Luke's arm. So he stayed with the pups. Ow.
They don't know I'm having my arm, but I broke it.
Maybe we'll put up a video explaining the whole arm debacle. But Luke broke his arm about 5 weeks ago. He now has 9 screws and a plate in his arm. So we're trying to be real careful with, you know, where he goes and what he does so he doesn't fall and break it again. So I went down, got some pictures of the waterfall. So the waterfall is gorgeous. There's like a rope to climb down that we saw. So yeah, like we're almost, turned it on right there with the bottom where the waterfall is, and we're already basically back up at the top, so it's a super short walk. But yeah, Well worth the drive. Beautiful in the summertime. Man, what a place. We're definitely coming back in the summertime to swim. It's perfect. That's High Falls Park. I hope you enjoyed it, because we did. If you're ever in North Alabama, it is in the middle of nowhere. You will think I am not going to the right place. I'm surely lost. You are not. Keep going. Follow the signs in your GPS. We used all trails to get directions. Dude, it's worth it.